Hello children, welcome to the video of kinds of noun. What is a noun? The naming words are called noun. Nouns are of 5 types. The first one we are going to see is proper noun. A proper noun is the special name of a particular person or place. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Example, Shweta is my friend. So Shweta, it's a name of a particular person. So it's a proper noun. I live in Kolkata. Kolkata, it's a name of a particular place. So that is also a proper noun. Common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Example, I like bananas. So not specifically any bananas, whatever banana it can be, in common it is bananas. It is a beautiful park. Okay, park is a common noun. There are so many parks, so it's a common noun. Park is a common noun. Collective noun. When a noun stands for a collection of persons or things considered as one complete whole, it is called collective noun. Example, I purchased a bunch of grapes. So bunch, so that's a collective noun. Okay, how the grapes will be? It will be in a bunch. There was a big crowd on the road. So crowd meaning is crowd of people. So crowd of people is a collective noun. Material noun. A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made is called material noun. Example, this chair is made of wood. So with what material the chair is made? With wood. So wood is a material noun. The chain is made of gold. Gold is a material with which the chain is made. Cloths are made of cotton, wool and silk. So cotton, wool, silk, all these are material. So these are the material nouns. Next is abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name given to a quality, and a state or a concept. These are something which we can neither see nor touch, but which we can only feel or think of them. Okay, so these are abstract noun which we cannot touch or feel. Which we cannot touch but we can feel. That is called abstract noun. Example, I always speak the truth. So truth is a abstract noun. Okay, we can't touch the truth but we can understand. King Solomon is known for his wisdom. So wisdom also we can't touch but we can understand. The beauty of the place attracted me. Beauty. So beauty is a abstract noun here. So with this I have given an assignment. Pick out the nouns in the following statements and say whether they are proper, common, material, collective or abstract. Okay, so I'll explain you. Raman is a good boy. So Raman and boy are noun here. So you have to say which is common noun, which is proper noun. Okay, one should believe in truth. A soldier is respected for his bravery. So you have to pick out the noun and you have to say what kind of noun it is. Ornaments are made of gold and silver. The case was decided by a bench of judges. Okay, I hope you understood. Try to do the assignment on your own with the help of the slides. That's all for this video. Thank you, children.